Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel for Can't Say. Yeah, today I'm about to tell you how I use Canva to create my upcoming drop that will be coming on winter time. We are already in the winter, but I'll be dropping in it under December, coming December. So let's get to it, guys.
Yeah, so with this one, I use Sketchbook. Yeah, I use Sketchbook to draw the line. So I first choose my pencil on the screen. Yeah, I zoom it a little and I draw the lines out here. First, the color was bad, so I wanted to use black. So I deleted it and I choose black. Yeah, I actually using my hands. I don't have the Apple Pen right now, so yeah, and it's just a mock-up. Yeah, I draw the lines and I paint it with the sketchbook also. The sketchbook is actually fire for painting and color everything. It's too calm and too hard, man. I'm gonna lie. Yeah, so I draw the line, everything. I zoom it to check if everything is okay for my painting, my two color painting. Yeah. Yeah, so I go back again to pick up my colors, yeah. To put them in my design. So I pick the black. So pick the black and I put this one here, I put this one also, I did this, I did that. And I go in there to pick the ash. Yeah. So I'm done. That's all. For this one I use Sketchbook. Yeah, for this one I use Sketchbook. Yeah. So that's it. Done. So I put a design also in Canva to put a name and my logo on it. Yeah. So I pick up for the pen, put it here. And I pick out another for the pen also to put it that side. Yeah. It looks fire, man. So this should come in on December. Yeah. To assume it small, open up to make it equal in the line. Because this is just a mock-up, man. Yeah. And I go into uploads to pick up my logo to put it there also. Yeah. So with this one I use Canva. Yeah. On my iPad. So I pick up the logo, not the CS. I lower it to make it small and I put it there. Yeah. That is fire, man. That's fire. Online, man. I really like this design. It took me about like 20 minutes to finish all this thing. It wasn't that too hard for me because already I know what I was about to do when I finished up with the sketch of the chart. So yeah, that is it. That's the hoodie also. It's actually set hoodie sets top and down. Yeah, so this is the hoodie and this one is the jackets, man. Everything is fire, man. I really like it and I love it too, man. It's nice. So I went back to pick the original one. Already done the hoodie already. Yeah. So that is it. The hoodie and the 4 can't say name on it, man. Yeah, it looks fire. So this one it's coming on December, winter. We are celebrating this one with December, man. So yeah, that is that, man.
Yeah, so that's all I use, and I'll be bringing more tutorials about how to use Canva to create your designs without spending much in buying some sites. This one I actually use the free premium. Not I did not use the premium. I use free mode here to create this one design. I think it's tough and it's very nice. So I'll be bringing more tutorials on how to use it and how to use like 2 3 apps to create your design. So first I use a sketchboard to draw my lines and paint it, and I send to Canva and do the naming, putting on the logo and everything. So yeah, this is how I've been doing almost all the time. I know how to use Photoshop and others, but mostly I've been using Canva and Sketchboard to either draw or paint. So guys, thank you all for watching, and we'll bring you more enough. So peace out.